Well, hi. How long you been there? We gotta whittle at this project a little each day. It's a pretty big area. And I did wanted to find the southern edge. That way I've got the wire in, I've got mulch up to it, and as we continue to fill this up, make this mulch pile higher. Earlier today before you got here, we went ahead and got that mulch down there, and as we continue to pile up right here, let this break down, I won't have to worry about that south end. But I can bring quite a bit more in here and get this pile going quite a bit and not have to worry about that edge. And this is how we build a new deep mulch garden. Just keep your mulch, whatever you get your hands on. Leaves, hay, wood chips, old cardboard, shredded up newspapers. Your kitchen scraps, definitely. If you're still mowing your yard, I can hear our neighbors. You want those grass clippings. You want to pile it all together and let it break down. Then, as we get into winter, we'll spread it out more. We'll bring in some more leaves. Then by spring, we'll be ready to plant. That's all you got to do. Well, since you snuck up on me, check out what we did a little earlier. Now I've got quite a bit to fill in, and I don't know if we're going to use that as a hugelkultur or if I'm going to burn it off if we get rain one of the next few days. We're going to see what we're going to do there. But we got a little reprieve with the weather. I still got corn coming on. We still have a good chance of getting some ears. I'm not quite ready to pull up the turmeric yet. And then we still have a bunch of cold weather crops. We're going to go ahead and get some cold frames around a couple of them. And we still have October seeds to plant, and I hope you join me for that. If you want to learn about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.